In this video, we'll be using Google Nano Banana, Kling Ai, and 11 Labs to create viral hooks for your videos. I'll take you through the full process step by step, from generating images to animating them,
adding effects, and finally putting everything together so you can create engaging content that keeps viewers watching until the end.
First of all, record your video. I am using an AI-generated video. You can use your own video or an AI video. I am taking a screenshot at the end of the video and saving it. Now go to Google Nano Banana. I will access Nano Banana inside Google AI Studio. I'll upload the screenshot I took, and in the prompt box, I'll simply ask it to turn him into Iron Man. Once the generation is done, I'll download the image. Afterwards, I'm going to Kling AI and opening the video generation tool. Here you will see options like Start and End. Click on Start and upload your first image, then click on End and upload the last image, just like I uploaded the image of Iron Man. Then click Generate, wait a few minutes, and download the video once it's generated. Next, go to any AI video generator. I will use Google Flow for this. Click Create New, switch the model to Frame to Video, and upload the image you generated with Nano Banana. I'll upload the image of Iron Man and write the following prompt. Animate the uploaded image of Iron Man with the following dialogue. Hey guys, I am Iron Man. It feels great to be here with you today. Add subtle head movement and natural hand gestures. Then hit Generate, wait a few seconds, and download the video. Once you're done with this, you will need to add some sound effects. You can download them from free websites like Pixabay. For this, I will go to 11 Labs, select Sound Effects, type Metallic Robotic Transformation, and generate it. Finally, it's time to gather all the clips and sound effects in CapCut. First, drag the initial video to the timeline. Then add the video generated with Kling AI where the person transforms into Iron Man. And finally, drag in the video where Iron Man is talking. Add the sound effect below the clip where the transformation happens. I'll increase the speed of the video so it matches perfectly with the sound effect. Once you're satisfied with it, export the final video. Here is the final result.
So the first step is to really understand your audience and what they're looking for.
Hey guys, I am an Iron Man. It feels great to be here with you today.
And that's it. Using Google Nano Banana, Kling AI, and 11 Labs, you can easily turn simple ideas into powerful viral hooks for your videos. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what tool you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.